Hi, welcome back once again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I keep my hair moisturized and what I actually use to moisturize my hair. So I get a lot of questions like what do you use to moisturize your hair, what products do you use? So I decided to make a video and show you guys how I moisturize my hair. It's going to be 2 years since I did my big chop, and guys, you all want to see how my hair is looking right now, but today I'm just going to share with you one of my staples products that I use to moisturize my hair and to keep my hair well moisturized, all throughout the week. So stay tuned. This is how I like to style my hair sometimes when I don't feel like doing too much. So I just put it in this protective style and just tuck the ends in and I'm good to go. So right now my hair is fairly dry, so I'm going to show you guys what I actually do, like on a consistent basis. This is just all that I do. So I have what I use here. What I have here is my liquid. I'm going to tell you guys what is in here in a bit, and then my oil. Also, I'm going to tell you what is in here. This is my oil. I'm almost out. And then in this particular video, I'm going to be using my DIY leave-in conditioner. Like guys, you guys see how creamy this is, like creamy. So I'm going to be using that alongside with my liquid. And then this is my hair butter. You guys can see this is my hair butter. So that would be to seal in the moisture. What I do first of all, I go in with this, and in here I have cloves and rosemary water. I have a video of this on my channel, so I'm going to leave the link in the description box or on the iCard somewhere here, I think. So you can go check that out. So I've been using this and it's almost out too. What you just need is just to slightly just give your hair a little bit of moisture. So you want to work it in, especially if you're low porosity hair like me. Like guys, low porosity hair, you have to work it in. Whatever you're putting in, you have to work it in and make sure that everything is going in. So I like to just give it a little squeeze so that to allow the moisture to penetrate in better. So I'm going to do that on this other side again. Then, just like I said, what has changed for me is using a leave-in conditioner. So I have a video of this. I made this myself. I'm going to drop the link in the description box, so go watch the video out. So this is how it's looking like, guys. This is not even, see, it's not, the consistency is fairly thick but not, I feel it's in between. Like I wouldn't want a leave-in conditioner that is very watery, so to say. Yeah, so I think this works fine, and voila. So I just apply this on my hair. Then I go in with my oil. I'm just going to use this size amount, and usually before, this is how you do. Usually before, I just apply my spray, then the oil, and then the hair cream. But since I have a leave-in conditioner now, I decided to incorporate the leave-in conditioner into this moisture routine just to see how it feels, how different it's going to feel, if it's going to feel different or not. So after working that oil, I'm going to go ahead to take my hair butter, this size, and I'm going to work that in also. So my butter is not even very thick. Yes, my butter is not very thick. I also have a video of that butter. That is my Ayurvedic hair butter, infused with all the goodness of Ayurveda in it. So you can check the description box or in the cards up, and you will see the link to that particular video where I show you guys how I made that hair butter. So after sealing that in, just applying some oils on my scalp so that I can massage it a bit. So I'm going to just slightly massage these edges to stimulate some growth there before I call it a wrap. And that's all. I've not done too much, guys. Like, this is practically the most basic thing you can do for your hair. That's all for this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. It's sometimes not encouraging when you have thousands of views on your video and just a few people are hitting the like button. Please, guys, support content creators with your likes, because it goes a long way to telling YouTube that, oh, you appreciate this person, you watched their video and you like to see more from them. And also they can pass down the video to other people who might be interested in the topic. Some other people who might not see this video just because you are not giving it a thumbs up. So please, guys, support your girl and give this video a thumbs up. Until I come your way next time, watch out for my 2 years post big chop video. It's going to be dropping soon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.